My new car nearly had a few scrapes, but there's always stuff to learn to see what could have been done differently. What's that one at the side doing? So you have to watch. If you're out of gear, you've got to watch. Little bit of gas. Clutch down. Gas first. And because you didn't concentrate, you rushed. Make sense? Okay, so that obviously wasn't the incident. It happens a little touch further up. And the moral of this story is sometimes you have to be a little closer than a door's width. But it's absolutely imperative that you are at the correct speed so you can stop. Stay here. Good, stay here. Now, is this one staying behind to your right?
Yeah.
So glide out a little bit now. Good, but follow your position from my cars to the left hand side. Well done. Good. Lights. Are you for real? Whoa! Come on, moves forward. Clutch down.
Was that his fault?
Yeah, absolutely. You should have slowed as well, Molly. Alright, doesn't matter though. That's what my job's for. But
to be honest, I didn't even see that. So I went straight in down.
Yes.
Yeah.
I was able to stop our car, so our mirror stopped before the open door of the Fiesta. And remember everyone, this is the only way to drive safely. Make sure you can stop and the distance you see is clear.